In this video, I'm going to explain how to trade Memecoin as a beginner. And if you are new to Memecoin trading and don't know how to trade Memecoin, this video is for you because I'm going to explain everything that you need to know to enable you make your first trade. To trade Memecoin, you need a platform that is going to show you all the Memecoins and what they are doing and their performance. And one platform that can help you do that is called dexscreener. So I expect you to go to your browser and go to dexscreener.com, or if you are using mobile device, you can download the dexscreener app to your phone. On dexscreener, this is what you are going to see. You're going to see plenty tokens. I'm going to see their performance, their price, age, transactions volume, and you're going to see their volume or their percentage performance based on time. You're going to see their liquidity and their market cap. In trading memecoin, the most important factor is actually market cap. Market cap is more important than price, I believe, because if a coin is in, let's say if a coin is in 100k market cap, yes, 100k market cap, and if you buy that particular coin like $100, if that particular coin went to 10k market cap, you have make an 10x for that particular coin. Get, because if the market cap move from 1 to 2, your money has also increased from $100 to $200. Market cap moves from 100, from let's say 10k to 30k. Market cap, as your money has moved from $100 to $200. It is like so market cap is the most important when trading meme coin. So it's advisable you look for coins that market cap is very low. Get, if a coin that like this particular token that is at 232k market cap, if it goes to 1 million, that's like 7x. Get, so that means you invest $100, you're going to get $700. For the coin that has made from 1.1 million to that is a 1 million market cap, if it went from 1 million market cap to like let's say, okay, let's just do this example. If this particular coin moves from 200k market cap to let's say 10 million market cap, that's like 17s. Get, but if this one move from 1 million market cap to 3 million market cap, it's just like 7s. Understand? So you trade coin that has lower market cap. That's the first thing. So for you to select coins, you need to know what you are trading, which you are trading on. Most coins here are listed on Solana. This Solana icon, Solana ecosystem. Solana ecosystem has the most volumes. Then we can see BSC right here. And there are also other platforms. So what you should do is to ensure that you are looking for just Solana meme coins. So you click on this bar right here. Click on filters and click on all platforms and click on Solana. You can see there are different platform, different blockchain. Okay, but Solana has the most volume. Get, click on Solana and click on save. Then click on here. You can apply filters, but I don't want to apply any filters for now. So click on apply. So this is going to select coins, going to be just coins that's listed on Solana ecosystem. So what we'll be doing is very simple. We're going to come to this particular place and we're going to toggle this. Again, we're looking for coins that has done very well yet in the past, let's say in the past 1 hour. So we're going to do this. Then you're going to see coins that's currently doing well in the past one. In the past 1 hour, this coin has done about 4,000%. That's over 230%. That's over 104%. And since their market cap get. Since we look trading coins lower market cap, let's say less than 1 million market cap, I'm going to open up this particular ones in a new tab. So let's open up this in a new tab. Let's open up this in a new tab. For the fact that you see this particular coin, that means that you should buy them immediately. If you do that, you might lose your money. Get, so we're going to open up coins that we feel that they are good. You get, that they are not scam. I'm going to teach you guys identify scam tokens and not. So let's see. We are still looking at these particular ones. Once you open the coin, what you should be looking at is the liquidity. You get, to see if the liquidity is locked or not. If a coin that liquidity is not locked, you can easily get scam. They can come back, remove the liquidity, and your money is gone. So it's very important you check to see that this liquidity is locked. You get, there are also other method I can use to confirm that liquidity is locked. You can make use of both. If I contact address and going over to Telegram. So on Telegram, you go to the search bar and search for TTF. So this particular bot, you can easily check if the liquidity is locked or if the particular token is a rock or a scam token. So I paste connect address and I click on enter. I'm going to wait for 2 minutes and it's going to do some analysis on this particular token. As you can see, said it looks clean to me, which means this particular token is good. Liquidity is 100% locked. It means that liquidity is locked, and in this place you can see the all-time high of the coin they have done in it. You see top 10 holders are holding 29%, like the top 20 people that are holding this token are holding 29% of the entire token. And the other tokens are left for the other people that's going to buy this particular token. If the coin was not good, you're going to see something like this. Let me see if there is any. But one of the coins that are good. If the coin is not good, you're going to see something like this. Multiple metadata. You get. If you see anything other than it looks clean to me, you should not buy that particular coin. If you do that, you are just risky and similarly you are going to lose your money. The next thing I got to check is to see how the chart is currently doing. This is 1 second and this chart looks very okay. You can see that transaction going on buy sells going on this token. So this token look good, you get. But if you see that this particular token is just going up like this, is just going up like this or something like this, just going up like this, not that pumping it, but this particular token don't know what they are pumping yet. So then the next thing you need to do is you can set to buy this coin, you want to buy the coin. But one more thing I do is simply click on this filter, click on this $100 to see people are putting a big amount of into this particular coin. Because it's big amount of money, big transaction that's going to do what? They're going to move the market. As you can see, okay, somebody just put in $200 in the last 9 seconds. Okay, and 1K to the last 30 seconds. When people are putting into this particular token. So right now the coin has pumped to about 207k market cap. I think this is the highest that's going to be for. So I won't bet on this particular token because people might take. There are people that bought when it was like 80k market cap. They are going to take profit at this particular moment. Do it at 200k market cap now. So I can simply wait for it to retrace a little bit to, let's say, 200k market cap, 100k market cap before I can buy. You get, don't allow fear of missing out. Okay, rush to this particular token. People can try to sell now. If you check now, people are already selling. You can see people taking profit. You get, so it's much better to buy at a lower market cap, like say 100k market cap. You get, because you usually come to 100k market cap. Surely, if you usually come to 100k market cap, it's going to down before. You can simply wait for it to come 100k market cap, because that's a psychological support resistance level. Then you buy at this particular place. You get. So if you want to buy, you can use Radium to buy. You can use Radium to buy or Jupiter to buy. So you can do Jupiter. You get. If you want to get to Jupiter, ensure you have your Phantom wallet. You get. I believe you might have made deposit to your Phantom wallet. Buy Solana. Since send to your Phantom wallet, then you can come to this search bar. Then click on sites. You get. Yeah, from Phantom wallet, click on Jupiter, or you click on Radium with Radium. Ensure you use verified site, because if you use fake site to log into this Jupiter or Radium or connect wallet, they're going to drain your wallet. So use through Phantom wallet. You click on Radium, it's going to open up Jupiter. The next thing you need to connect your wallet address. Then this particular place is going to show you like this. Let me alternate this. So in this place that is selling, you can choose Solana or USDC, anyone you have in your wallet. You get. This place is showing USDC. Then below right here, paste the contract address of the coin that you want to buy. Then tap on it. It's going to open up the coin. Alright. So in this place, you can select how much you want to buy, how much token you want to buy, and click on swap. And it's going to buy the token. Other method that you can use to trade are bots. You can actually use bots to trade. I think it's pretty much fast for using bots to trade. There are different types of bots. You have the bank bots and angry bots. Learn to just start bots with description bots. While trading in bots, it is really very easy. The first step is to fund your wallet, your bot. You get. I made a video on how to set up bank bots. I recommend you use that particular bot, because with bot you can simply trade very fast and sell very fast. You can buy very fast and sell. Watch that video on how to use bots to trade. I'm going to leave that video in the description box for you to watch. Before we continue, yeah, If you find this video helpful, I recommend you like this particular video and you can subscribe. If you are new, subscribe, turn the bell icon if you are new. So let's continue, guys. This token is still going well. This is actually a very good token to trade. It's almost going to 100k market cap. And guys, before I go, I recommend do not buy any of these other tokens that you are seeing on your screen, because by the time I get to this video, it will be might have died down. So let's check the other tokens that I open them up. Let's see if they are pretty much good for us to buy. You can copy the CA, go to TTL, go to liquidity is actually locked yet, but I won't be doing this for this not to waste time. So market cap is about 2.4 market cap already, and this is pretty much already. So if I'm trading this, you can constantly wait for it to get to one market cap. How many market cap is a psychological level? So it's like around this place. If you go to this place, you can simply enter. As if people are still pretty much interested in this particular token, and you can know if people are interested in it by click on this 5 minutes. You can see about 452 transactions in the last 5 minutes. This is really very huge. And if you click on this, put in let's say $100, you can see people putting last amount of this particular token. The people are still interested in this particular token, and might even get to 10 market cap. We don't know yet, but I think people are interested in this particular token. Then the next one is this one. Okay, you can see last 5 minutes, just 18 transactions. This is a red flag. Again, don't even bother trading this particular one because there's no volume coming in. Then you can check this other ones too. Okay, this one still has a lot of volume coming in. 142 transactions last 5 minutes, but this is also a very good token to trade if you want to trade. But I've analyzed this before. I think it has get to 800k market cap before. It's currently down. Great. So basically, guys, this I can actually trade Memecoin if you are new. It is really very easy to trade. And guys, if you find this helpful, please do like, guys, subscribe and turn the bell icon. This channel I make videos like this constantly. If you want to learn, do it to like, subscribe and turn the bell icon. So that I'll see my next video. Peace out.